All right, here we go. Today's mission is to hook up the dinghy to the car, and we're gonna go to the boat and put the running gear back on. So that way I can move it around. But here we go. All right, easy peasy. That's good. I got a drain plug somewhere around here. Find it later. All right, load it up. Home sweet home.
Yep. Wait. We've got one going.
Harrison, you got the rope?
You got it, bud?
Yep.
All right.
Oh, jingle back.
Do you want me to just place the GoPro down the side?
Christmas tree. Got it.
All right, good. Hand it to me now.
Do you want me to stop banging stuff out?
If you want to get on the boat, I'll hand you stuff.
There's stuff.
Ready, Chloe? You got it? Nice. So I made it to the boat. Show you what's going on. This is the old prop. This was a starboard one. I lost the port one. So I just cleaned it up and got measurements off of it. So you can see the serial number there. I got two brand new props from General Propeller. These are Saildrive, so I'm gonna put the two new ones on. I'm gonna keep this one as a spare. I lost some anodes, so I got some anodes. Cone kits, this is what basically locks the prop in. And these are all Yanmar genuine parts. This is the little bolt that slides into the shaft, and then this slides on top of that and gets locked in. And these little suckers right here, these are the spacers for the prop. So this goes on first, and then the prop is gonna sit on it like that, so it's perfectly spaced. Thing is, these things are like 122 bucks a piece for these little Italian-made piece of metal. So I'm gonna scan this thing and with a 3D scanner, and then I'm gonna print out some with some really heavy-duty filament and see do some testing with it. But anyways, I had to get two of those obviously because I took the line cutters off, so I needed some spacers. But all right, today's mission: finish putting on the props. So I ran into a little snag the other day in new props. I have my washers that we talked about already, but these little things, they hold on the anode, and there's a threaded part right here. Well, I guess the ones that are installed now, they drilled out that threaded part in order to install the line cutters. Well, since I'm taking away the line cutters, I needed to get new ones. So this set me back by another 2 days. These silly little things are $78 a piece. So yeah, another thing I could probably scan and print, especially in emergency cases. I think it'll work. So today we're gonna do some diving. All right, here's the port side engine. It's been a while since I cleaned it, so we're gonna clean it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna replace the anodes. That's just one side. I'm gonna end up doing both of them. There's a spacer for the prop. That way it sits out far enough, doesn't rub up on the anodes. Here's the prop. Takes two hands to do it. So it's a little tricky. This is the cone kit and the spacer. This is what locks the prop on. And then the final hardware, you got a little spacer for the nose, nut, and then you have a nylon lock nut, and that's the final step. Torque all that stuff down, and it's up and running again.